Hello, my name is Sophia Speckhahn. I am a sustainability scientist working at WWF Germany's education team in a project called the 2-Degree Campus, where we train 20 young individuals each year to find solutions for the climate crisis. When the Berlin Wall fell, I wasn't born yet. But living in Berlin, the fallen wall is still very present in my daily life. The fall of the wall was the result of a strong and peaceful social movement. In the very same way, we need to break walls today in order to fight climate change and ensure a peaceful life for future generations. Just like the fallen wall still has an impact on my generation, decisions made today will have an impact on all future generations. I dreamed about making the world a better place. But while this is too big of a task for anyone to accomplish alone, I think I do my part by helping others to explore their potential to become change makers themselves. I believe that we are strongest together and that a big organization like WWF must be part of the solution. The 2-Degree Campus breaks the wall between scientists and young adults, as well as the one between technically focused approaches for problem solving and a more holistic understanding of sustainability. The 2-Degree Campus gathers youngsters 3 times during a year, introduces them to climate science, makes them reflect about their role in the climate crisis, and helps them develop their own attitude in the societal transformation process which is ahead of us. The challenge we are all facing together is the collapse of the Earth system and the risk to pass the planetary boundaries. We seem to be unable to react appropriately and to change the current destructive trajectory. Our solution is to not only present scientific evidence, but to provide competencies for action and develop a sense of self-efficacy. We therefore include young people in research projects. This offers new perspectives and solutions, while it also inspires them to get active, care, and take responsibility. Young people are key actors for sustainable development, but often overheard. We therefore need to invite them to co-create the transformation. We want them to integrate an awareness for sustainability in their lives and future roles, whatever they choose to become. I am still surprised and impressed by the long-lasting engagement, scientific depth, and accuracy our candidates show. They truly develop a sustainable mindset and the will to initiate change. There are 3 factors that make the project unique. First, the close and mutually beneficial relationship between scientists, facilitators, and participants. Second, the high scientific standard of the joint research projects. And third, the longevity of the project over nearly 10 years. Society benefits from creative and unconventional research approaches, as well as a number of smart, critical, and mindful individuals who are ready to take on responsibility for their future. My friends, they think that I'm just hanging out with young super nerds. But once they see the results, they tend to grasp that there's so much more about it than just hanging out in labs and libraries. We know that young people have great insights to offer, but we don't yet manage to channel these into decision-making often enough. How to deeply change our values and mindsets to be in harmony with nature and to act as a one-world community to protect the Earth still remains a challenge. We just entered a new decade, and it's going to be an important one. While I know that there's a lot of great young people out there, I'm afraid that as a society, we might fail to create the necessary changes within the next 10 years because of a lack of political will and commitment. I want to keep the promise I give to our participants.